Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Dodge Dart GTS with the 340 and a 4-speed. And this one's a super rare bird. They only made 58 of the Dart GTS convertibles with a 340 and a 4-speed for 1969. My understanding of the numbers. And this one was a beauty. Had a super nice restoration done to it, and looked real good in the white with the black stripe and the black bucket seat interior, and the dual red stripe tires sets it off very nicely. And with the sun setting, it makes it look even better. And somebody did a superb restoration on it. It looked like a brand new car. Unfortunately, as usual, the owner wasn't anywhere to be found, so I couldn't ask any questions about it. But the car basically spoke for itself. So all you need to do is look at it. The car is the star anyway, so that's what you're here for, to see, and that's why I'm recording them. But as far as the Dart goes, this one is part of the fourth generation of the Dart, which started in 1967 and went to 1976. And for 69, they had a few changes. The two-door sedan was dropped at the end of 68 and replaced with the new Swinger model, the two-door hardtop for 1969. You could also get it in custom GT and GTS trim. And that was the first year for the Dart Swinger 340. And 69, they had the trim updates, included a grille revision and return to rectangular park and turn lights, and the round marker lights on the side from 1968 were replaced with rectangular reflectors, which everybody else had lights, but on the 69 Darts they used just the reflectors. But as I mentioned on the numbers for the GTS in 1969, they made a total of 6,285 hardtops and 417 convertibles. 3,645 had the 340, is what this guy is. And out of that, 58 were the 340 with the 4-speed. So that makes this guy 1 out of 58. And that's super rare in my book. And besides the 340, you could also get the 383 in the GTS for 1969. They made 1,912, and then late in the year they had the M code, the 440, which they made 640. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Dodge Dart GTS 340 with a 4-speed convertible, one of 58 made. And I filmed this beauty at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And as you can tell in the video, it was getting a lot of looks, and deservedly. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.